This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description. In this video, we are talking about how to make parchment bags. So this is a great little trick to have in your toolbox and be able to make on a moment's notice. So if you're out of your reusable bags and don't have time to wash and dry them, or if you're just out of disposable bags or don't want to waste one for a small job, they're an easy fix, and most people who are into baking have lots of parchment on hand. The first thing you want to do is cut them so that you have some nice triangles, and you'll see this one is equal length on two sides and longer here. And what I want to do is turn it, and I find the easiest way is so that that point that the two equal sides make is facing towards you, and then you want to take one end and curl it around so it's meeting up with that point, right? So right there, and so you can see this one is rolling around the inside, and then you're going to take the other side, there we go, the parchment paper will behave, wrap it around the outside, and that point is going to meet up on the back with the others. So you see all three of those points are now meeting up, right? And we're ready to go. And you can see that makes a nice, tight, closed end on that cone. And what we can do then is take them and fold them over several times. This is going to secure the cone, right? And make a bag for us. So just by folding it over, you'll keep that locked into place, right? Now we have a nice little paper cornet that we can load some product in. So whether that's ganache or chocolate, say if you want to pipe a happy birthday message on a plate, or just a little bit of buttercream if you want to make a few eyes, it's ready to go. You can use these as is and just cut the end, or you can use them with tips and just cut the end and place them down inside. Sometimes when I'm cutting larger holes, I find it's helpful to use a little masking tape or scotch tape just to secure the seam and give it a little extra strength, right? That means when I cut, this can't unwind on me, although it won't always do that. It tends to be when you cut larger openings, and it'll make it just a little more secure, right? I can put a tip down in there, and then I'm ready to use it with a tip as well. Right? So that's just a quick lesson on how to make a paper parchment bag. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.